Alright, let's turn this down. Right, I'm going to... It gets really hot in the greenhouse. Right now it's hot, sunny. It's like 80 degrees, so it's 96 degrees in here, which is way too hot for the lettuce. So I'm trying to mulch these, and I have this idea to mulch them with the gel beans. I cordoned off an area right here, and I got a bunch of them all made up. Right here, you'll see. Okay, look at them all. Oh my god, it's gonna be so cool. I'm gonna do the whole bed here. I'm just gonna pour about 2 inches worth all around each plant. Try to get them right in there. This is gonna take a while actually, but that's about the depth I want. But look how much I have. I should be able to do it. I can smooth them out later. Oops, I almost fell down. Okay. That's so cool. They're so cool. You're gonna keep this thing really nice. Like mulch and temperature control. Really. This is exactly what I want. Wow, this is easy to do too. It looks pretty cool. Alright, here we go. Right up to the corner here. The only thing that matters if it gets in. I mean, you can use this as a grow medium, I hear. So, I think if one just gets stuck in the leaves, it's okay. It's not gonna hurt anything. I am getting the pile going down here though. There's that little one. There we go. I want it to get everywhere. This is so cool. Okay. More. About as far as I can reach. I'm gonna have to go to the other side. This is really cool. I think over here, I gotta fill that in. In here. Okay. I'm gonna go to the other side and finish it off.